Hello, I'm Craig the Fitter. This is my John Deere Gator 825i. Today I'll be replacing the shockies. I've purchased these ones off AliExpress and they're quite a bit cheaper. The part number on them is LHP 75694. I will put a description of where I got them from in the comments. This is one of the shocks that they supplied. It looks decent. We will compare it to the genuine one, which I'm running in the front of this now. So to pull the front shocky out, you need an 18mm spanners. Also, we'll have to open the bonnet up. So I'll show you that and we'll get into it. So all it is a bolt at the bottom and then a bolt at the top. The reason you have to open the bonnet is you see the hinge blocks the access to the bolt. Top bolt, bottom bolt. I'll jack it up a bit higher. And the shocky comes out. So there's the two of them side by side. The new one, the Chinese knockoff, and the genuine John Deere one. They appear to be exactly the same in length and wire size. The bushing's slightly different. It's a cheaper style, expected. But the aftermarket ones are half the price of the genuine ones. So the genuine one started leaking oil within a year of buying the machine new. So I will be taking this for a test run to see how the Chinese ones handle. I am going to be putting in high quality aftermarket ones from the States. I will give you a description. So we will try these out, and obviously installation is opposite of removal. It's not that hard. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Hello everybody. I took a buggy for a test ride yesterday and found that the aftermarket shockies performed just as well as the genuine shockies. So I was very happy with that. The only thing was, when I put them in, I found the bushing on one of the shockies was a little bit thicker than what it should have been, like 1mm. So I ground that millimeter off. The bushing I'm referring to is on the shocky, which is here, either 1/2 mil off either side or 1 mil off one side. Once I did that, the bush and the shocky fell straight into place, so that was really good. So I was really happy with the results. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will make more. Thank you for watching.